story tonight. Who owns your money tomorrow? Most people assume it's their spouse or their kids, but if you die without a will, that assumption can be completely wrong. And here's the part almost nobody explains. A will isn't a plan, it's paperwork. Without structure, the state steps in and decides for you. So let me show you exactly what happens when someone dies without a will. The legal term is called intestate. That simply means you didn't leave instructions, so the state writes them for you. And the state doesn't care about family dynamics, emotions, or intent. They follow a formula. And here's where people get shocked. In many states, if you are married with kids and you die without a will, your spouse does not automatically get everything. They may be forced to split assets with your children immediately. And sometimes that means selling the family home just to divide equity, not because anybody did anything wrong, but because there wasn't a system in place. Here's what most people don't realize. When you die without a will, your assets don't go to your family first. They go to court. That process is called probate. And probate is three things: public, slow, and expensive. There's court fees, attorney costs, delays, filings, and administration. It's common for 3 to 7% of the estate to disappear before a family sees a dollar. So the tragedy isn't death. It's turning assets into liabilities for the people you love. Most people think estate planning is about having money. It's not. It's about control, because an asset without structure isn't a gift, it's a problem someone else has to figure out. That's why two families can have the same net worth and have two completely different outcomes. One transfers smoothly and the other fights for years. There's a simple hierarchy most families never get taught. Step 1, beneficiaries. Accounts with named beneficiaries can bypass probate completely. Step 2, a will. A will gives instructions but still goes through court. And here's something people don't realize. A will becomes public record. Anybody can read it. Step 3 is a trust. A trust avoids probate. It keeps things private and moves assets faster. A trust is a private contract, nobody's business but yours. And this is where most families are shocked. Properly structured life insurance can be passed directly to the beneficiary. This is why we love life insurance as a tool. It's one of the only assets with fast pass, skipping the courthouse lines and going straight to your family. Most families don't fail because they didn't work hard. They fail because they confuse ownership with structure. A will is not a plan, money is not a system, and hope is not a strategy. This is why we talk about it so much. We talk about structure because money without direction creates chaos, and clarity creates a legacy. So if you don't know exactly where your assets would go today, that's not judgment, that's awareness. And if you want help putting your situation on paper the right way, start at thelegacyvaultfinancial.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.